please talk. My name is Francisco Marin, as you can see. I'm working actually at this moment in the University of Murcia. My poster is about mass distribution of partition of convex bodies by height. So, first of all, of course, I appreciate the opportunity to present not only this Blitz talk, but also a poster. And thanks to the organizer for this very, very nice program. And yes, I don't have so many time, so I just get to the subject of my poster. Let me say that this mainly focuses on some classical topic, which is generalization of Grünbaum's inequality, which is basically a consequence of the Bloom-Minkowski inequality. And this result basically says that for any convex body K, we can always find a point within the set. This is the centroid, the center of mass, such that if we get the set through that point, with a hyperplane, passing through that point, we obtain two parts with, let's say, a big enough amount of body, as we can see in the inequality. So this result prompts a but maybe an interesting question, which is, can we do the same for some other points? Or in other words, through which other special points can we do those cuts? Of course, always ensuring a big enough amount of the mass for those two parts. And in my poster, so you have to come to see it, we give some easy negative and positive examples. And inspired by those examples, we introduce this family of alpha power centroids, where H now is a non-negative concave function. And then using this family of points, we managed to obtain a Grünbaum type inequality for the integral of the function H. Remember this non-negative concave function, where, as you can see here, it appears power or raised to the power of some parameter beta. This is just to have an inequality which is as general as possible. And as you can see as well, here the quantity that we obtain depends on whether beta is smaller than alpha or alpha is smaller than beta. And from this inequality, setting H in a certain way, we recover a generalization of this result, now considering a different family of points, which contains also the center. And we also obtain some consequences, but again, you have to come to see it in my poster. So thank you very much, that's all.